Around 11% of the world's land is on islands, and that sounds normal until you realize those islands are made in wildly different ways. Some are basically runaway mainland, some are volcano tips, some are just heaps of sand, and the last one, honestly, barely sounds legal. A continental island is basically a broken-off piece of a continent. Picture a fat slab of crust, then the sea rises or the land shifts, and suddenly water cuts it loose. That's why these islands often look rugged. Cliffs, hills, forests, and real bedrock poking through. Greenland counts. Great Britain, too. Even the islands off Maine were once attached when sea levels were lower. The weird part? Some of these islands are enormous. Greenland only stays an island because Australia gets promoted to continent. Then there are volcanic islands, underwater volcanoes that keep piling up until they punch through the ocean surface. What you see is just the summit. The mountain keeps dropping thousands of meters below the waves. Hawaii is the poster child, a chain lined up over a hotspot like giant lava stepping stones. These islands look young and raw. Steep slopes, black sand beaches, fresh lava fields, and barely any flat coast. Mauna Kea is the flex, over 10,000 meters from seafloor to summit. From giant volcanoes to a skinny strip of sand, barrier islands are long, narrow islands that run parallel to the coast, with surf on one side and quiet bays, marshes, or lagoons on the other. Waves, tides, and storms keep rebuilding them, so they act more like moving coastal equipment than fixed land. The Outer Banks are the celebrity version. And the weird trick? Big storms can shove sand inland, so the whole island slowly rolls toward the mainland. Then you get coral islands, low, bright scraps of reef-built land in warm blue water. The classic version is the atoll, a thin ring circling a calm lagoon. It usually begins as a volcanic island. Coral builds a fringing rim around it. The volcano slowly sinks, and the coral keeps pace near sea level. Darwin nailed that idea. The result is flat, beautiful, and a little alarming, often just a few meters high. The Maldives and much of Tuvalu are basically whole countries perched on old reef rims. From reef rims, jump to the opposite idea, an island humans just build. Picture barges dumping sand and rock, seawalls boxing it in, or giant platforms lifted above shallow water. These places are made for airports, ports, housing, factories, even oil rigs. Kansai Airport near Osaka sits on one, which is a spectacular way of saying, no flat land left? Fine, invent some. At this point, island geology is sharing desk space with dredgers, steel, and concrete. And the last one is the island inside a lake on an island inside a lake on an island. At this point, island geology stops pretending to be tidy. A recursive island is the map gremlin. An island in a lake, on an island, in a lake, on an island. The famous real stack was Vulcan Point in the Philippines, sitting in Main Crater Lake on Volcano Island, inside Taal Lake on Luzon. The trick isn't one special birth method, it's the nesting. Land, water, land, water, land. It looks fake on paper, which is exactly why people love it. So yeah, island is a way bigger category than most maps make it look. Rock, lava, coral, sand, concrete, and then that last one, which is what happens when geography gets weird and refuses to calm down.